Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Thursday, February 22nd, 2024. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. I want to let our YouTube subscribers know that we have a special offer just for YouTube subscribers. You can go to register right here. It'll take you to the register page. Okay, you can fill out all your information there. We're offering 30% off any and every subscription we have to offer. So just type in YouTube, all lowercase, no spaces. Okay, hit apply and you get 30% off. It applies to all of our subscription services. So that's not going on for too much longer. So if you want to take advantage of it, do so quickly. Okay, let's start with what else but NVIDIA, right? Haven't visited it in a while, but this is our chart that we had from the last time that we did analyze it. And you can see from the March 2020 pandemic low, we have wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 at a 1.272 multiple right there, and then a wave 4, and then we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. We had targets here, 694, 776, 819 and 880, and as you can see, this is just short of 1 o'clock Eastern today. It's live. It's at 773, and I think it actually hit a high of, let's see what that is, if I can get that on there. It's tight. It's not 688. Let me make it bigger. Go there. How about 781? That's pretty darn close, huh? Okay, so that's what's going on with NVIDIA. We were on that a long time ago, so wave 5 has developed. It could go higher. We have multiple targets here. It has hit near the 1.272. Okay, let's get off of that and let's check on the US10yr, okay? Because I think it did some interesting things there. Okay, bear with me while I fit this to the screen. Yeah, we want to look at this wave 1 up, okay, from the April 6th, 2023 low into the October of 2023 high. That's one with a circle. There is 2 down into December 27th, okay, and then we've got a 1 up in purple and a 2 down. And what just happened over the last couple of days is this broke above that wave 1 high. It's getting really close to that trigger. In fact, what is that high right there? 4354. Yeah, 4363 is the upside trigger. Trigger and targets are working. You'll see that later with the ES. There's people doing really well with these triggers and targets. So just about to hit another trigger. There's where our wave 2 targets were, and it came down between the 618 and the 786 on the 27th, and we're starting new waves up. Okay, this, we've told this before, but this trigger gives, let's see if I can pull them in if they're still in there. Yeah, 3 equals 1. Well, this one here, 3 equals 1 at the primary wave. Let me pull that out so it's a little bit easier to see. Is 5.551, and then the larger wave 3 at the cycle degree is 7.255. So we're way down here, but this is held, the low is held, and we got a higher high from 1 to 2, so we have 3 targets up there. So that's how the US10yr is playing out. We expect the rates, obviously, to go much higher. Let's look at the ES. Yeah, we can do the daily. I don't have a wave count on here, but that's okay. You can see we had a upside trigger here at 4185 on October 30th, just 3 days after the low. That thing is bringing in so many. That was an 881 point gain as of 5066. It's higher now, as you can see. It's about 15 points higher, so it's even more. It's getting close at 900. Okay, and then we had a trigger here on 119. That's 225 is higher there. And then just this morning we put out to our newsletter subscribers, we had another upside trigger, 5066.50. Okay, that was activated this morning. I think it was pre-market open because we cover the E-mini futures with the monthly subscribers who get reports every day. They got 2 today, one at the open and one just after. But Let's go from the daily to the hourly. This is a little crowded here, but let me make that a little better. You can see, and I'll show you later with the Fibonacci turn dates, this thing, all these check marks are turn dates spinning off of the 1227 turn date. Okay, a lot of direct hits up and down there. Okay, and then, well, this one got messed around a little bit, didn't it? Let's see if we can spin that around. There we go. Close enough. Okay, see, we had downside triggers ready, but they never were activated. Okay, again, this 4185 on the October 30th, it's closer to 890 or 900 now. The 4841 on January 19th, and then the 5066. Okay, so if you see it's a little crowd, I'll show you guys a chart rather than this, but we had a 1 up here on January 11th and a 2 down, a 3 up here and a 4 down, and 5 is playing out with a 1 up, A, B, C down right on our turn date to identify the wave 2 low, and there's wave 3. That's what a wave 3 looks like, a near vertical move. Okay, here's our wave 3 targets over here, starting at 5088, which is almost there now, going up to 5168, and then the larger degree wave 5 with the parentheses. You see there's 3 and 4. There are those targets there. Okay, so we got those all on a package there. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Meant to do that. There we go. Let's get into our reports today, starting with the pre-market open. Okay, and you can see our Fibonacci turn dates there. That was yesterday, the 21st. It served us very well. Okay, and you can see right there, the 21st, that ended the A down, B up, C down correction, bang. Then it hit this trigger this morning, so we put out this report. Anything above this 5066.50 high would mean higher highs, and this was pre-market open, obviously. Okay, and you can see there's the targets in print. That higher trigger was activated this morning, and we keep saying this. We're looking for a change in degree of trend every day at the smallest degree, up to 1 in 10 minute charts, and we haven't seen one ever since the October low. So all the triggers have been up, and everything has been up, and until the trigger is activated, the direction is up. You can see those gains there. Okay, so that's what we have our rules to look for, a change in trend. Okay, last 2. Now we have 3 triggers. Okay, but let's get into today's larger degree count, because we've been focusing on the E-minis on very short term, 1 in 10 minutes. So we zoomed out a little bit. There's an hourly. That's longer term for the short term reports, if you will. That's that same one here with the Fibonacci time spiral on it from the 28th, and you can see the next turn date is March 26th, and that 221 low was right here. Okay, there's all the targets there. There's all the direct hits. I know it's busy, it's crowded, but there's where we were waiting for triggers, but they never were activated. Again, this trigger was activated 10:30, this one 1:19, this one today. We'll see what this one brings. It should be a 5th wave up, and it's 1 up, as you can see there, into the 212 high, 2 down into the 221 low, and we should get a 3 up, 4 down, and 5 up to complete the larger degree of trend wave 5 of V with the parentheses around it. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. Let me see if there's anything else. There's our targets in print. There's our recent triggers and targets. I'll have to update that. Those are more points now, and we'll see what this one delivers that was activated today. Okay, and again, we reiterate every day we're looking for the smallest degree change in trend. We don't see it, haven't seen it, and until then the trend remains up. So let's leave you guys with that picture there, and we'll see how far this 5th wave can go. First of all, the wave 3, then the larger degree wave 5 with parentheses around it. Okay, thank you everyone. Until next time, take care everyone.